Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a advanced music composer tool where you can actually make music directly inside the browser. So it's a simple React project. So we are running it on localhost 5173. So once you launch the application, the interface looks something like this. You can even export your music to actual music file as well. So this is actually the user interface. And this is actual full directory structure. So as you see, each component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. So it's all in full stack project here. So it's fully customizable. So once you get the source code, you will be able to add the more features on top of the application. So the link is given in the description. As you can see, we are using the latest version of React. We are also using Tailwind CSS for the user interface as well. And apart from that, we are also using Tone.js, which is a free music generation library. We are running it locally by npm runtime. So this Tone.js, this is a famous audio framework for making audio directly in the music directly in the browser. So application is quite simple. You select what sort of music you want to generate from the drop down. So it can be happy, sad, epic, chill. So if I select sad here, and here you need to select the preset. So if you have the knowledge, you can actually use this perfectly and click on this button generate, and automatically this application will generate the music for you. And now here you simply you have the option to save this or export this to a wave file. So as you click the button, so here you can select the location wherever you need to save it. So it will automatically save the audio file. So you can just see here it created this background music here for you. So I don't have the knowledge to actually create music. So if you do have the knowledge, you can adjust these strings here. You just need to drag it using your mouse. So it's a virtual piano and guitar here. So if you have the knowledge, you can actually do this. And then you have the option to export this to a music file as well. So it's a simple static app which directly runs in the browser. So it's fully responsive as well. So it works on all devices, mobile, tablet, and desktop. So again, you select this different music form. Let's suppose you want to generate a happy kind of music. So here you select the preset, quantify everything. From here you can select a swing and then generate. And then you can also live preview it as well by playing it. And again you can change the settings here accordingly again. So you can just see here how easy it is to create music and export this to a music file as well. So from here you can generate any sort of music. So here just need to select a emotion and then click on preset and then generate this. And using these sliders you can adjust it. So if you're interested, you can purchase this project. So this will save you a lot of time. If you're looking forward for developing similar kind of application, you don't need to create it from scratch. So I built this project from scratch. Each component, as you see, is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file. So it will be easy for you to customize this or add additional features as well on top of this project. So if you still face any issues in running or deploying this project, you can contact me after you make the payment. So it's all in one music composer and generator kind of a tool. So definitely check this out and make sure you have Node.js and React.js installed before you run this. And you can simply npm run build to actually build out this project and then deploy it.